What up, y'all, and welcome back to the 50 state series where I'm going to every state to try their most iconic food. And today, we're going to the state of Wyoming. But first, last episode, I had Rocky Mountain oysters here in Colorado, or as the locals call it, the higher elevation seafood. It was interesting, lots of breading. I didn't hate it like I thought I might, so that's good, but we have to rank it. Now I want to preface this by saying the restaurant I went to, the people were great. People I met inside there were super friendly, but this is just based on the food. And with that being said, looking at our rankings so far, I'm gonna have to put the Rocky Mountain oysters at number 4. So for the first time in this series, we have not a new number 1. The green chili from New Mexico is still holding the top spot. So the plan for today, before we head to Wyoming, we're staying the night in this hotel, obviously. After the restaurant, I walked the dogs for a little bit. I found a dog park, let them walk around before it got too dark out. And then we checked into the hotel where we are at right now. And the boys got their food in their bellies. Brody ate all of his food, so I'm happy about that. First time on this series, I didn't have to help him. But for now, we're gonna go to bed because we have a long day tomorrow, and we will head to Wyoming in the morning.
And in the mornings, we run. This is one of the things that on this trip, I don't want to give up. I can cut back if I need to, but if I get a run in the morning, even if it's a slower morning, the rest of the day just feels so much easier. I did a tempo run, or I tried to. I did pretty good. I was pushing it. And I was like, why do I feel worse than I normally do? Like way worse. Elevation, and I ate bull testicles last night. It's not a good combination for a run. But we did it. Time to get the boys. Stay. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. It's against the rules. That was against the rules. Hey, bird boy. Right here. Come here.
Alrighty, y'all. Good morning from me and the boys. Good morning. The boys both went to the bathroom, had a great run, got some good free hotel breakfast, had an apple because I felt like I needed an apple this morning after what happened last night. And now we are on our way to Wyoming. We're actually in Wellington, Colorado, which is so close to Wyoming, it might as Wellington be in Wyoming. I hope that was funny. I thought of it the second I woke up this morning, but we're like 25 minutes away from where we're going for lunch in Wyoming. So let's go ahead, hit the road, and get ready for what should be a pretty good meal. Wyoming, and it looks exactly like you'd think it would look like. Beautiful, green, flat land, mountains in the distance. It's Wyoming, we're here. And with that means we gotta put Wyoming on our board here, so let's go ahead and do that. This seemed like a safe place to pull off to do this. There's a little exit ramp here. I'm not right next to the highway. So anyways, with that being said, boom. Wyoming on our board. We're making up some distance now. We got a good chunk of America, and this is the first state I can confidently say I have never been to. And if you weren't sure if we're in Wyoming, there's some horses like right next to me, just chilling right there. So like, yeah, we're in Wyoming. Also, I think it's time we address this white shirt situation. I'm not wearing the same shirt every day. I packed 6 of the same shirts and they're all white. Anyways, it's loud here, so I'm gonna get in the car. The place we're going to is like right here. So let's go ahead and get off and pull in and get some lunch. Hello and welcome to Terry Bison Ranch. We are just south of Wyoming and this place is massive. The ranch is huge and I heard you can even take train rides through the entire ranch to see some bison up close, but unfortunately we don't have time for that today. But we're here in beautiful Wyoming, which is home of ranches, cowboys, and bison. There's more bison here than in any other state, which makes sense of why Wyoming's most iconic food is a bison burger. Bison once nearly disappeared from America, but Wyoming helped preserve the species. So as I'm here in Wyoming at Terry Bison Ranch, we have to try a bison burger, although it sounds kind of wrong saying that right after I said they were almost extinct, but they're good now, and I don't think I've ever had a bison burger or bison meat in my life. So this will be fun. But first, I'm gonna walk around and explore a little bit because like I said, this place is huge. There's a bunch of shops right over here. I'm in like the kids area. So let's go check it out. Place is massive and I am the only one here not wearing a cowboy hat. So we are for sure in Wyoming. I grew up in Chicago. I live in Vegas. I don't see this. This is pretty cool. Can you imagine Raider if you saw a horse? Can you imagine Raider? Raider versus a bison in the comments. Who you got? Ladies and gentlemen, we have a bison burger. I don't know what to tell you. It looks and smells like a normal cheeseburger. Like there's not much to it. I'm just kidding. I know what to tell you. I've done a little bit of research here. So it's supposed to be a little bit more lean than typical beef. And besides that, that's all the research I have. So it's supposed to be more lean, but we'll see. Cheers, bison burger. Yo. Whoa. It tastes like beef. It really does, but like a thicker, richer, juicier beef. Don't know if that's just how they make it, how this one is, but if this is what bison tastes like compared to beef, sign me up. Sign me up. I'm also bringing this along now. Hopefully I don't forget for these food reviews, just so we all know what's at stake. It's very important. I did forget a napkin, so I apologize, but like, look how thick that is. It's a thick burger. Ah, shoot. The white shirt, I got something on it. It was only a matter of time. I was gonna set the over-under at 2.5 shirts that I get stained on this trip. I'm still gonna, let's do that. Comment below, over-under 2.5, including this one I just did. So it's already at 1. I'm gonna be careful. I don't have a napkin. It's not even that messy. I'm just a child. And there it is. It's really just like an above average burger. I like that it's more lean. It might be the chimichanga. It's probably the healthiest thing I've eaten so far on this trip, which is saying something. But I needed that. That felt good. That was delicious. Alrighty, that was fantastic. I mean, the bison burger fits Wyoming perfectly, right? I gotta give myself some credit. That was a great choice. And this place, Terry Bison Ranch, was for sure the place to come. This place is huge, it's iconic, and it was great. And it was so great, unfortunately, I decided to actually wear it, which I'm not too happy about, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna think about it for a minute, we'll let it settle, and I'll let you guys know where it stands on our rankings tomorrow. So for now, thanks for watching, and see you guys tomorrow.